In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a CPAGrip account. CPA simply means call per action. Your potential client has to complete a survey or enter email address or something like that before you can earn a commission. Alright, so I'll show you how to sign up and how to use the platform. So I'll put the link in the description box and click on it. You're going to end up here, and make sure you watch this video all the way to the end and don't miss any step, because if you miss it, they will not approve it. Okay. All right, so first you need to enter your first name, last name. So let's say John Smith. What I'm showing you is just an example. Then the company name is optional. See the red indication means it's required. Okay, so you can't miss it. So here you can write your company name, your brand name, or even your name. All right, but it's optional. It's up to you. So your website name, you can use your regular website name, but if you don't have it, you can use social media account name or your YouTube channel name. So you type the platform name, then your name, click on it. Okay, then that will be the first thing up here. So you highlight everything, then you copy. Okay, then you move back, then your address, country, then your city, then your region and postal code. Make sure you enter everything. So your phone number, you need to enter your phone number as well. It's really necessary. That's why they have the required field here. So your Skype IM name is required. So if you don't have Skype account, please create one. It's necessary. Then you're gonna copy your IM name and put it here. So I'll show you quick. Then when you log in, or when you create your account and you log in, you can either click here, the S, which is Skype, or you come here, okay? Then you click on Skype, click on this 3 dots more, then click on settings. Then this is the Skype name, live semicolon CID, then the numbers here, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy the whole thing, Control C or copy. Then when you're done, you can just close it, then paste it. So it's gonna be something like this, live dot blah blah blah, the numbers over there. Publish type, like the way you're gonna promote this thing through email marketing, website, or Incent, GPT. I would advise you to go with other. With most affiliate programs, they require professional email address, but with these guys, you can use Gmail or Yahoo or Outlook email address. Doesn't matter. All right, so enter your Gmail here, or your professional email address, then create a password, and make sure you enter the right email address, because they will send you a confirmation email. Okay, then your password, confirm the password that you want to use. It's not your email address password, please. This is your CPAGrip password. Choose a time zone. You can Google your country or your city time zone. And after, where did you hear about this? So you can type YouTube, then you click on I have read and understand the terms of services. In some cases, they will require you to click here and read it. So always right click and open. All right. So most cases, they expect you to read this. So all you're going to do is just glance through like this. Because I know some affiliate programs, if you don't do this, they will not approve it, like ClickBank and some other ones. Like if you don't go through like this, they will not. All right, and after I'll close it. All right, then you click on register now. Okay, but make sure you fill in all this. All right, because I don't know your address, so I can show you. All right, so I'm gonna log in my account and I'll show you how to go about it. All right, so I've logged in into my account. All right, so you need to check your email account. You'll receive an email to confirm your email address. Then after, you'll be prompted to log in. Then you're gonna end up on your dashboard like this. Okay, so don't forget to check your email address after you click register. Okay, you're gonna have your name and your affiliate number here. Then your revenue. This is a new account, so there's nothing here. And these are the money that people are making. All right, so this is your account manager's name. Mine is John Wilson. Then that is his email, his Skype name. Chat with him. Okay, so in case you don't understand something, you're gonna go on your dashboard and contact your ad manager. And these are some of the top performing offers. And as you can see on your left, right here, payment center and account settings. So when you go to payment center, you have to choose your method of payment, okay, to be able to complete it. So, all right, but before I do that, your earnings will be here, and the minimum payout is $50, okay? So you can only get paid if you get $50. Method of payment, you have a Payoneer prepaid card, Payoneer Global Bank Transfer, ACH transfer, US banks only, and of course PayPal, which is what majority of the people will use. If not, you can use Payoneer. So I have Payoneer, but I prefer PayPal right now. So enter your PayPal email address, then you click Save Payment Preferences. Alright, so when you're done, then you click Save. Alright, so your payment details have been updated successfully. So now I'll go to Account Settings, select your country, then I'll click Save. That one too is saved. Alright, so apart from that, update your tax form. So for international, you're gonna use this, but if you are in US, use this one. Your mailing address, if it's different from the one you've given, okay? And in my case, it's gonna be the same, so I'll leave it, okay? So in most cases, here you write N/A, meaning not applicable, N/A, 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 because you don't have anything to provide here. But if you have different address compared to what you have, then you can fill it here. Then your tax identification number. If you don't file income tax in your country, you're gonna choose not applicable. But if you file income tax in your country, you're gonna click here. Then you enter your social security number or your tax identification number or your work permit number. Then you enter here. But if not, click this and just move on. Foreign tax identification number. If any, this is optional. Alright, so leave this alone. This will be your CPAGrip ID number. In your case, this is my number. In your case, it might be different. Then your date of birth. Alright, then here I'll put my country. Alright, so it's gonna be, for me, it's gonna be Canada. Paragraph 7, withhold 0%. And this will be for commissions. Alright, and this is what I came up with right here. So beneficial owner has permanent establishment only in Canada. In your case, you use your country, and all works are performed in Canada, okay? If you choose this, you don't do all of these things, okay? Only if you choose this one. Alright, so here you're gonna type in your name. Alright, so in my case, I use this as an example. Okay, so you're gonna keep it same. Then you click save. So soon as you click save, this will be gone. But I'm not doing it yet. Normally, I like to do these things later on when I'm about to withdraw money. If you want to withdraw money and you haven't done this, they will not allow you to withdraw. I'll just close this because I don't need it. So in the meantime, you can start promoting your offers. So click offer tools, my offers. So the best advice I'll give you, offers that have the green, these are all good offers, okay? But if not, if you don't like these ones and you want a specific country, like let's say US, so you can type US, click on US, and at the moment, there's nothing good. They are okay, but they are not doing good. They have only 23% sale. The more it goes, the better it is, and it turns green. So that doesn't mean you cannot promote it. You can promote, but they are not doing well right now, okay? It takes only one person to turn this thing to green. So let's say a whole lot of people are promoting but no sale, but you're gonna promote and boom, you're gonna make a lot of money and this is gonna turn green, okay? So in this, for instance, let's say even if I wanna promote it, I'll click on this, right? But it says this offer is only allowed in the United States, meaning you as an affiliate, if you live in US, Canada, Africa, Australia, Japan, Taiwan, or whatever, you can promote this, but your customer must come from United States, okay? And this is why some of these products are not doing well. Let me check something that has green, say Canada, for instance. Boom, so you see green, so let's check why, okay? So this offer is only allowed on iOS mobile device. So there's no, in this case, there's no restriction on your customer because this is a universal product, okay? This is why it's doing so well. But if you want to promote this, you just click on copy link, then you're going to promote it. But that will be my next tutorial. All right, so to log off, all right, so click here, then you click on log out. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and check out other tutorials on the channel. Alright, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.